Bad posture isn't just affecting how you look. It's actually a common cause of neck and low back pain. If you struggle with poor posture, I'm going to show you 3 exercises that I use as a physical therapist to fix this. Starting with the easiest exercise, these are called W's. In terms of your position, you're going to have your back flat against the wall. Feet will be 1 foot in front of the wall with your knees being bent. Now, what you want to do is while your elbows are in that bent position, so it looks like a W, you want to bring your elbows back where you touch the wall. Now, as you bring your elbows back, I want you to try to feel your shoulder blades squeezing together and downwards. So the direction of which your elbows are going are back and down, not up like you're shrugging. Once you get better at this movement, what you can do is start to have your head flat and back against the wall while you bring your shoulder blades back together. The medium exercise is called a 90-90. So here we're focusing on scapular retraction or pulling your shoulder blades back even further. In terms of the position, your shoulders and elbows are at a 90-degree bend, and then your back and the back of your head are in contact with the wall. Now, your goal is to bring your elbows back using your shoulder blade muscles. However, with poor posture, your pec muscles are going to be tight, which will restrict how far you can reach back. So at first, for a lot of you guys, you may not be able to actually reach back and touch the wall with your elbows. That's perfectly fine. Your goal is you're reaching back to where you feel that tension in the pec muscles, and then you gradually go further and further as you practice this. So at first, you may not touch, but your goal is eventually to get those elbows back. The hardest exercise, or the final boss, is going to be a combination of the first 2. These will be called half angels. So essentially, we're going to do the W's and the 90-90. So you'll start off in that 90-90 position, elbows back where they're touching the wall. Shoulder blades are also back as well. And now you're going to go down towards that W position. So while your elbows are in contact with the wall, essentially we're going up and down. So just trying to perform like a half snow angel, right? But the goal is you're able to keep your shoulder blades retracted and your elbows in contact with the wall the whole time. So once you master the W and the 90-90, this is the last exercise you'll do to correct your posture. Like I said, poor posture is a condition that a lot of people have to deal with, primarily because a lot of our daily activities are performed in a sitting position. Because we're in a sitting position for long periods of time, usually we'll develop tight hamstrings. So if you're dealing with tight hamstrings as well, here's a video that has some exercises that you can try that may help.